Are you looking for the frozen drink maker? In this video we will show the 5 best frozen drink maker. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Ninja SLUSHi Professional Frozen Drink Maker. With rapid chill technology. 88 ounces. Frozen drink and Slushie Machine. 5 preset programs, frozen margaritas, fraps, and more. Orange Mango, FS301 or. Brand, Ninja. Color, Orange Mango. Material, plastic. Included components, 2-part drip tray, removable spout shroud, 88 ounces. Vessel, 64 ounces. Max fill, with comfort handle and anti-drip spout. Inspiration guide with 10 recipes. Ninja SLUSHi Professional Drink Maker 2-part drip tray, removable spout shroud, 88 ounces. Vessel, 64 ounces. Max fill, with comfort handle and anti-drip spout. Inspiration guide with 10 recipes. No ice needed. Rapid chill technology is our innovative 2-part system that spins an auger around a cooling cylinder to freeze liquid evenly and maintain optimal temperature for perfect icy treats. A superior frozen drink experience. With this versatile machine, turn your favorite liquids into smooth, flavorful frozen drinks: wine, coffee, soda, juice, chocolate milk, and more. Simply pour the liquid in, select your program, and watch it transform. One-touch frozen drinks. Temperature and texture controls deliver consistently smooth results in up to 60 minutes at max capacity. Creating drinks can take 15 to 60 minutes depending on ingredients, volume, and starting temperature. Must include sugar to slush. Hack your sugar-free recipes. Sugar-free recipes will not slush properly on their own. Add one of our recommended sugar substitutes to the recipe to ensure perfect slushing. 5 preset settings. Automated programs give you tailored temperature settings to yield the perfect output every time. Temperature control. Customize whether you want the output to be thicker or thinner than the preset setting. Easy fill vessel. Easy to fill up, top off, and remove for cleaning. Creates slush quickly and keeps drinks frozen for up to 12 hours. Number 2. Iceman Slush-Ease Slushie Machine. Frozen drink maker and slushie machine with 5 presets plus custom option. Easy dispensing lever for frozen margaritas, fraps, and slushies. Brand, Iceman. Color, black. Capacity, 48 fluid ounces. Special features: slushie and frozen drink making capabilities. Material: acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, stainless steel. Freezes without ice. Make slushies out of any beverage you can think of right at home on your countertop, no ice required. Perfect for a classic cherry slushie or froze. This one-touch drink maker also works as a frozen margarita machine and a frappe maker. Quick freezing. This slushie maker works fast to make sure that you can enjoy a cold, refreshing drink as soon as possible. Start sipping in as little as 20 minutes after starting the machine. Drinks must contain sugar to freeze properly, and freezing times may vary based on temperatures, drink contents, and more. Intuitive touch controls. Picking your ideal slushie settings has never been easier. Choose from 5 different presets that let you adjust the thickness to your ideal consistency. This slushie machine has options for soft drinks, juices, wine, beer, and cocktails, which you can start with just the push of a button. Comfortably serves 6. The spacious 68-ounce tank is perfect for catering to the crowd. The max fill line of 48 ounces is recommended to avoid spills while slushies are being made and produces 6 8-ounce servings. Anything you can think of, get creative with this slushie machine's custom option for your own innovative beverages. Adjust the temperature and duration for frozen cold brew in the morning or a new twist on Gatorade after football practice. Number 3. Slushie Machine for Home. Frozen drink maker with timer and auto-fresh keep, perfect for margaritas, fraps, milkshakes and more. No ice needed. Smart panel, self-cleaning, quiet operation, 88 ounces. And our advanced chilling system works without added ice. The multi-stage progressive extrusion auger rotates 360 degrees around the cooling cylinder to ensure consistent, even cooling, delivering ultra-smooth slushies every time. Top fill design meets smart presets and customizable modes effortlessly create perfectly textured margaritas, fraps, cocktails, milkshakes, soda, and more. One machine, endless drink possibilities. And to schedule your slushie 30 minutes to 24 hours in advance. The smart temperature control system keeps your mix fresh and chilled until blending begins, so your drink is always ready when you are, perfect for parties, family gatherings, or a refreshing treat after work. Get inspired with nearly 30 easy recipes, from coffee and cocktails to juices and shakes. Note: sugar-free ingredients don't freeze properly. For best results, use our recommended sugar substitutes to achieve that perfect slushy texture. The container holds up to 88 ounces, ideal for parties and group fun. To prevent overflow, we recommend filling no more than 68 ounces due to liquid expansion while freezing. Slushie time, 15 to 60 minutes depending on volume and ingredients. Starting temperature. Number 4. PAMBEE 88-ounce Slushie Machine. No ice needed frozen drink maker for home, self-cleaning, 5 preset menus and 5 temp settings Slushie Machine for Margarita, fraps. Brand: PAMBEE. Color: dark gray. Capacity: 88 fluid ounces. Special feature: automatic clean, keep cool function, low noise, see-through lid. Material: acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, polycarbonate, PC. Quick freeze, no ice. Create smooth slush in 15 to 60 minutes without ice cubes. Fast freezing tech enables the PAMBEE Slushie Machine to deliver a perfect texture every time. Enjoy long-lasting frozen consistency for 12+ hours, ideal for breakfast smoothies, healthy snacks, or party prep. 3-step simple operation, just 1. Add ingredients, 2. Choose menu, 3. Press start. Without complex settings, the Slushie Machine can make slush, milkshake, fraps, and frozen drinks in seconds, which is perfect for busy families and healthy lifestyles. 88-ounce large capacity. The Slushie Maker is equipped with an 88-ounce container, maximum liquid capacity, 68 ounces, suitable for various occasions such as summer barbecues, birthday parties, sporting events, brunch, or large gatherings. This frozen drink machine can easily handle any occasion, making enough juice for everyone. 5 preset menus and temp control. The Slushie Maker comes with 5 preset menus: slush, frappe, milkshake, frozen juice, and spiked slush. Simply select the desired program to obtain a perfect slush. You can also adjust the temperature and customize the consistency to make it thicker or thinner than the preset value. Easy to clean. The Slush Machine has a built-in self-cleaning function that automatically circulates soapy water and clean water. Simply add sufficient clean water and detergent, then press and hold the menu button for 3 seconds to activate the automatic cleaning mode. In addition, components such as the water tank, stirrer, and drip tray are removable and specifically designed to be safely placed in a dishwasher. Number 5. Slushie Machine. Slushie Machine for home with 5 preset programs, no ice needed, frozen drink maker with self-cleaning for frozen margaritas, fraps, milkshake. Slushie Machine, professional frozen drink maker, no ice needed Slushie Machine for home with LED display, 1-touch reservation and 6 preset programs. Rapid smoothie making, no ice needed. The Keenstar Home Slushie Machine eliminates the need for ice preparation with its rapid freezing innovation. Simply pour the liquid, press the preset button for your desired smoothie type, and transform it into a smooth, refreshing treat in 15 to 60 minutes. Soon, you'll savor velvety smoothness and a delightful range of flavors. 5 preset programs and adjustable thickness. Keenstar Frozen Drink Machine features 5 preset programs, including smoothie, frappe, milkshake, cocktail, wine. The Margarita Machine LED screen tracks real-time temps while you can adjust the thickness, thick and creamy or light and refreshing. Large capacity for every occasion. The barrel's total capacity is 88 ounces, with a marked fill line of 64 ounces indicating the maximum recommended liquid volume. This Slushie Machine is perfect for any event. Whether hosting an intimate gathering or a lively party, you can whip up enough smoothies for everyone. Chill out with a frozen drink and add a refreshing vibe to your party. Hassle-free cleaning. The Keenstar Frozen Drink Maker features a self-cleaning mode for effortless maintenance. For a deeper clean, simply unlock the handle, remove the barrel and parts, and rinse with water, or put them in the dishwasher. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.